Hello, I'm Roger from Just Kitchens. We're based in Bordon and cover roughly around a 20-mile radius from Bordon, from Portsmouth all the way up to Woking. We offer a service that covers from new kitchens all the way down to replacement doors and everything in between. We specialise in kitchen refurbishments mainly, which isn't just replacing the kitchen doors, that's replacing the cornice, the pelmet, the plinth, end panels, even replacing the vinyl sometimes on the unit if a panel cannot be applied. I like to start and finish a job, and I'm not finished until you say that you're satisfied with the end product. A kitchen refurbishment generally takes 3 to 4 days. At Just Kitchens, we're extremely proud of our reviews. They are of a very high standard, and all of them say attention to detail is second to none. My attention to detail from every kitchen I've fitted comes from a 20-year career of working with handcrafted furniture, and now I have over 15 years in manufacturing and fitting. We also supply new kitchens, worktops and the latest technology in appliances. Also, if you find a kitchen with a different manufacturer or supplier, we're also able to fit that for you too. If that is your preference, contact us about our fitting service. Thanks for watching the video. If you'd like to contact us by telephone, please call 01420 377 022. Or our web address is www.justkitchens4u.com.